probability tree diagrams.
David takes a forklift truck driving test which can be attempted a maximum of 3 times. The probability that he passes the first time is 0.1. On his second test he's improved and the probability that he passes this time is 0.3, and then with more practice he improves even further, so the probability that he passes the third time is 0.7. He is not allowed to take the test after the third time. There's a maximum of 3 attempts. This probability tree is incorrect. The problem with this is, let's say if I use the letter S for success, so he's passed the test, and F for failure, that he failed, he didn't pass. If he's successful and he's passed the test, why would he be doing the test again? Okay, so you can see from this tree diagram, this shouldn't be here. Again, if you've got success and failure, if he's passed the test, he's not going to do the test again. And so that's his first attempt, second attempt, and on his third attempt he could have success or failure. Okay, so this is the structure of the tree diagram. The probability he passes the first time is 0.1, the second time is 0.3, and the third time is 0.7. So the probability that he's failed here, that's 0.1, this would be 0.9, 0.7, and 0.3. Yeah, the probabilities added together for any of these V-shaped symbols on a tree diagram should always be 1. Okay, so these two add up to 1, these two add up to 1, and these two add up to 1. So what's the probability overall that he passes, that he's successful? Well, looking at the tree diagram, he's successful along this path. So you can write down this event, S, or he could fail first and then he's successful. So you could have this. Or you can say he fails first time, fails the second time, and then he's successful. So you could have this. And you can work out the probability for each of these and then just add them together. So that's one option. There's quite a lot to work out in that. An easier way would be to work out the probability that he fails every time. So work out the probability of failure, 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 and then if you do 1 minus the probability of 3 failures, it will give you the probability of success, the probability that he's passed. Okay, so if we do 1 minus the probability that he's failed every time, so that's 0.9 times 0.7 times 0.3, 0.9 times 0.7 times 0.3, it gives us this, and then if we do 1 minus the answer, 0.811. This is the overall probability that he passes his driving test.